Finally, its RAM has been replaced and it's working superb now. Black screen issue is gone and I'm finally happy about it. So hi everyone, today I'm gonna share the update on my Acer laptop. Some of you had asked me that क्या laptop ठीक हुआ and what's the condition of the laptop now. So just to let you guys know, it's completely fine. RAM has been replaced, motherboard had been replaced as I had talked in the previous videos, and now the black screen issue is gone. I am using Ubuntu 20.04 LTS and I am facing no issues there. Previously I was using Windows, but yeah, I had some issues with the Windows as well. But on working with Ubuntu, it's an amazing experience. It's working smooth now. No black screen issue, no hassles, but there is only one problem, that warranty has ended. So it was a 3-year warranty and it has just ended on 2nd June 2021. So if any issue persists, I won't get a free support from Acer. Obviously I'll have to pay for it, but I just wish that I don't get any issues now. Also, just to let you guys know, I asked the Acer guy that can we install an SSD over here. So he told me that there is a dedicated slot, empty slot for M.2 SSD that can be fixed into my laptop. And with regards to the replacement of RAM, he told me, and I checked it too, that there are 2 RAMs that come into this laptop, 2 4GB RAMs, and he had replaced one 4GB RAM with another 4GB RAM, of course, and everything is working fine now. Some of you were asking me about how are the service center guys and how is the on-site warranty. So as per my experience, again I have shared it in the previous videos as well, that my experience with Acer has been amazing. The support has been completely amazing. Even in the pandemic, when it was a time of May and April, within 3 days of logging the request, they came and they changed the necessary parts. For me, it's been a great experience. Your might vary because it depends on the locality as well. It depends on the service center as well, because I have heard that some Acer service centers are not that much active in dealing with the issues. They might take more time, so this reaction time might change for them as well. But I'm glad that for me it happened very early. And one more thing with regards to while logging the service request with the Acer, please don't forget to take the service request number from the Acer guy, because without that the other person will not be able to process the ticket for you or process the work for you. So that complaint number or the ticket number is very much important when you log a request. You need to receive that from the person whom you are contacting with, and the same complaint number can be used to track all the activities which are going on with the laptop or which are going on with the request. Also, few people were asking about how to register for the Acer extended warranty and in what time period of purchasing the laptop do we need to do that. As far as I know, you need to register within the first 3-4 days of purchasing it, and don't delay because it can be costly later on when you register for the extended warranty. And I have pasted the link in the description. Use that link to get your laptop's warranty extended if your laptop is a new laptop that you have purchased within last 3-4 days, or even if it's 1 or 2 months, you can still go for it, but it might cost more. But I'll still recommend that you should go for an extended warranty, because in the future you might encounter any hardware problem or any problem, and that fix could be a major issue and it can burn your pocket as well. So rather go for an extended warranty. And I also wanted to talk about the current battery performance of my laptop. As I have already talked about it in the previous videos, that it has 4 cells, so it has comparatively better battery backup as compared to the other laptops. But yeah, when I use Ubuntu, it drains fast because it is a better GUI with more interactive features, so it's pretty understandable that it might drain more. But overall, the battery of my laptop is working fine, not major issues. And with regards to the service of your laptop, as per the service center guy who told me, he recommended that I should reach out to the service center people or anyone for the laptop service every 6 months. The reason being, the carbon gets stick into the hardware on the motherboard, and that can be a problem later on. Because when my laptop was in warranty and motherboard was about to replace, he checked that there was a lot of carbon that was added up there, and that's because of the moisture. So don't let that moisture get into your motherboard. So the best thing is to just go for a service of your laptop. In the service, they'll do cleaning of the laptop, or they'll just apply the cooling paste to the processor and those things to just keep your hardware neat, clean and cooled up. So that's all that I wanted to talk about in this video. Please let me know if you wanna know about anything else about Acer laptop or any other laptop, and I'll surely make a video on it. And keep supporting and keep watching the videos. Thank you.